I see a lot of self-appointed apologists and theologians online. And honestly, they're doing more harm than good. They don't have a real ministry. They don't have any accountability. They're just picking fights with anyone and everyone. They are attacking people instead of attacking ideas. They're not building up the body, they're tearing it down. And this is not the heart of the gospel. Putting #apologist in your videos does not make you one. If you want to be a theologian, get some medication, crack open a book, read the Bible. Most importantly, learn empathy. Care about the people you're ministering to. Because here's the truth. These people are out there fighting every battle, but they're not standing for anything. You hear me? Not a thing. They're just saying things out loudly that mean absolutely nothing to anyone. Listen, anyone can tear things down, but it takes grace and truth to build something that lasts. Be a builder. After all, this is the body of Christ we're talking to.